Have you ever felt like the art of speaking has taken a back seat to endless scrolling and texting? But what if I told you these little devices could actually help you elevate your verbal communication skills? Believe it or not, your cell phone can sharpen your speaking skills, not just replace them with texting. From voice memos to video calls, it's a tool to help you practice how you say things, not just what you say. Verbal communication is more than just words. It's how those words are delivered. To make sure your message is understood, there are 5 key components to focus on: intonation, stress, pacing, pausing, and delivery. Intonation is the pitch of your voice, the ups and downs that keep a listener engaged. Think of your voice like a musical instrument. A monotone voice is like a flat line on a heart monitor, and we all know that that's bad news. To make your voice more engaging, imagine it as having a wide range of notes. Use a higher pitch when asking a question and a slightly lower pitch when making a statement. For example, "That was interesting." This version rising pitch turns the phrase into a question, signaling uncertainty, skepticism, or hesitation. Compare it with this version, "That was interesting." As demonstrated, this version, falling pitch, sounds disappointed or underwhelmed. Stressing certain words or phrases can wake up your audience. Want to emphasize a point? Add stress. You can do this by increasing your volume, elongating the pronunciation of a word, or using a sharp clipped delivery. Here's an example. A neutral delivery of the phrase, "growth demands effort," flows naturally, conveying the message in a straightforward manner. In contrast, emphasizing each word, "growth demands," effort makes the statement feel more intentional and forceful. Did you feel the impact? Stress makes your message stand out. Next is pacing. Your pace can make or break your message. Speaking too fast can overwhelm your audience, while speaking too slow, like slowing down, might bore them. The trick is to match your pace to the situation. For example, speed up when sharing exciting news and slow down when emphasizing serious points. First, listen to this version related to pacing. "You won't believe what just happened. I was walking down the street and out of nowhere, this huge parade came marching by. The music, the energy, it was incredible." This version sounds like genuine enthusiasm, making the listener feel the energy. Compare that version with, "We need to talk. This is important. Every decision we make matters." See the difference? Next, pauses are powerful. A well-timed pause can emphasize a point and shape how a message is received. Let's start with the dramatic pause. Leadership is not about power. It's about influence. In this example, breaking up the phrases forces the audience to process each idea separately, adding weight to the message. Compare this to the suspense pause. I walked into the meeting just like any other day. Same routine, same expectations, but something felt different. The room was quieter than usual. Eyes shifted. Whispers stopped the moment I stepped in. I took my seat, unaware, unprepared, and then everything changed. This type of pause builds tension and intrigue, keeping the listener engaged and eager for what comes next. See the difference? Last but not least, delivery. This is where everything comes together. Delivery is your overall presence when you speak, your tone, your posture, your eye contact, and your energy. But it's also about how clearly you speak. Strong articulation and correct pronunciation help ensure your words are understood the way you intend. You can say all the right words, but if your delivery lacks intonation, stress, pacing, or pausing, your message may still fall flat. When all of these elements work together, your delivery becomes powerful, engaging, and impossible to ignore. So here's my challenge for you. The next time you need to communicate something meaningful, don't text it, say it. Call a friend, set up a face to face chat, or even leave a voice message. Let's not let the art of speaking become a thing of the past. It's too vital to our relationships to lose.